G'day everybody, it's Matt here from Matt Talks Tech, and today I've got one of the Rode SC3 TRRS to TRS adapter plugs. So what does this actually do? Well, it takes a 3-pin plug from something like the Rode SmartLav or the Rode VideoMic Me and converts it to a standard 2-pin TRS plug that you can use with a standard digital SLR or mirrorless camera, or basically anything that takes a standard 3.5mm plug, because the VideoMic Me and the SmartLav, they both use a 3-pole or TRRS plug. So they don't actually work plugged straight into something like a Canon RP, which is what I'm actually using to record this on, or a Canon M50, or other mirrorless or digital SLR cameras like that. So these things are great for your smartphone, but all of a sudden you can't actually use them if you want to upgrade to a Canon RP or something else that's a better quality camera. Instead, you're looking at either getting a completely new microphone, which, I mean, perhaps that doesn't hurt. The VideoMic Me, for example, there's no mount with this that you could use to mount it on your digital SLR. But you've already got it, you've already spent the money on it, right? So getting an adapter for it means you can make use of it, and particularly something like the SmartLav. I mean, it's identical to your standard Rode Lav microphone. It just doesn't have the right plug on it. So I've got this one, the Rode TRRS to TRS adapter. Right now I'm just using the standard microphone on the Canon RP, so when I plug it in you should have some idea of the difference that putting in a good mic, or at least a better mic, actually makes over the standard built-in microphones. Alright, opening that up. And I didn't expect there to be much in here, but literally for an unboxing, that is all there is. Just the adapter straight in there, in the box on its own. Okay, so that's it. That's our adapter. So we can see, if we have a quick look at these two plugs, they are different. Can you make that out? This one, the one on the Rode SmartLav, has the 3 black lines on it, versus what we've just got on that TRRS to TRS adapter, which has the 2 black lines on it. So all we're doing is literally plugging that into there, and now we can take that and use that on a digital SLR or mirrorless or any other camera. So of course, also on the VideoMic Me, all we've got to do, plug that into there, and then we can plug that into our camera and probably find a way to mount this. Since it's a shotgun mic, it needs to point somewhere useful, but nevertheless we can now use it. So I'll plug it in using the VideoMic Me and just give you an idea of the difference in sound when I do this. So I'm just putting this in the side of the camera now, don't mind my face. I'm here, I'm in front of the camera now, and this is with the SmartLav Plus from Rode plugged into the Rode TRRS to TRS adapter, and then that's plugged into my Canon RP. So you should be able to see a difference in the audio. Because the Rode SmartLav is not a directional mic, it may still have some ambient noise like the built-in mics, but it should be much crisper, clearer and higher quality. Now, for argument's sake, what about if we plug in the VideoMic Me? Let's see how that sounds. Alright, so I'm unplugging the VideoMic Me here now, which I'm back on the built-in microphone audio, and I apologise if that just got really loud. And I've now got the VideoMic Me, and I'm plugging that into there. Alright, so that's it, it's plugged into there. If I put this in now into the camera, okay, and let's see if I can get that to sit somewhere. Maybe, yeah, that'll work over the top of the screen. Perfect. Alright. So that is with the VideoMic Me, and if I jump back over here where I was before, you should now be able to hear me coming through using the VideoMic Me. that's it. Hope you found this video helpful. Be sure to like it and also subscribe to my channel for more videos like this from me. Have an awesome day. I will catch you next time. Bye.